Ever wondered about the symphony that plays behind the screens in the world of data management? Ponder upon the data governance framework. This intellectual masterpiece is a beacon of order and structure amidst the vast and often chaotic landscape of data. Imagine it as a grand puzzle. Each piece, a policy, a procedure, a guideline, contributes to the bigger picture, driving an organization's ability to harness the power of its data. It's akin to a blueprint, meticulously designed for effective data governance. The cornerstone of this framework: clear roles and responsibilities. Picture a drama where each character plays their part flawlessly. From the executive setting strategic goals to the stewards ensuring compliance with regulations and policies, everyone has a role to play. But what makes this framework truly remarkable is its ability to balance structure and flexibility. It facilitates uniformity and collaboration while safeguarding sensitive information. It's a dance of balance and precision, ensuring the seamless flow of information within organizations. Now imagine veins coursing through a body. That's metadata in the data governance framework. It carries vital information from one end to another, providing context, revealing origins, transformations, and lineage. It breathes life into raw data, empowering organizations with knowledge for informed decision-making. And just as a symphony needs crisp and clear notes, data governance requires robust processes for data quality. It incorporates methodologies to validate, cleanse, and enrich data, ensuring its accuracy and reliability. Our journey doesn't end within organizational boundaries. The data governance framework also extends its influence to external stakeholders. It's a dance of trust and transparency, fostering information sharing while safeguarding intellectual property rights. As we reach the crescendo of our exploration, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey. We've delved into the tapestry of roles and responsibilities, marveled at the power of metadata management, embraced the processes that ensure data quality, and witnessed collaboration beyond organizational borders. In the realm where data reigns supreme, the data governance framework stands tall. Like a maestro conducting a symphony, it orchestrates every intricate note within an organization's data landscape, empowering decision-making. It's indeed an architectural marvel, an embodiment of order amidst chaos.